Hello everyone, my name is Hridyanshi Mishra from B.Sc Biotechnology. Our group members are Anchal Yadav, Amit Singh and Anubhav Kumar. We have made our project on a step towards sustainable development. We have initiated many steps towards sustainable development. We have taken 4 product-based models. First is algae, from which we have extracted biodiesel or we have made biodiesel. In this project, we have taken raw algae from river Ganga, which we all know we have. Then we have extracted it into a beaker by properly washing it, and we have performed a procedure, a chemical process which is known as bioesterification. Okay. In this process, algae, we all know algae contains some amount of oil. In this algae, we know that 14% of oil already contained. Then, after lysis of the cell, the esterification process occurs by which the oil inside algae changes into an ester. This ester then converts into biodiesel. This is highly flammable, as we all know kerosene oil is used in our homes or our rural areas mostly. This oil causes asthma, which contains sulfur, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide gases. But this oil is totally eco-friendly, which does not harms our bodies or our lungs or anything. Okay, now we are showing you by lighting us this oil, and you have to check the flammability. As we all can see, this oil is highly flammable, and most important thing is it is pure eco-friendly oil. Our next project is now being discussed by Anchal Yadav.
Good morning. My name is Anchal Yadav and I am also from the Department of B.Sc Biotechnology. I am going to show how to make biodiesel from a crude rancid cooking oil. This is a cooking oil, and by the process of the trans-esterification, we convert it into a mono-alkyl ether that is flammable. It is eco-friendly because, like normal diesels, which emit some harmful gases such as nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. But these fuels are totally eco-friendly because these are only a CHO, means there is a no content of nitrogen and sulfur. I am going to show a demo.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amit Kumar Singh and I am presenting you a model which is from converting plastic from petrol. So first of all, we have collected various samples of plastic bottles and we have cut them into finely chopped particles and we have put them into a tin box, and after putting them into the tin box, we have heat sealed it with MC. And then we have provided external heat source, so that gas can come from the plastic water bottles. After heating it for a while, we have seen that pyrene gas, which is mainly extracted from plastic burnt source, is then processed into a condenser. Then this condenser cools down the pyrene gas, and what we have observed that when it was cooled down, then we have got some amount of wax which was settled down at the bottom of the condenser, and a small amount of liquid, which we, after testing, we have saw that we got some amount of petrol which was combustible. Now my friend Anchal will understand you to demonstrate it. Now, as you all can see, that petrol made from plastic is also flammable.
Now I am going to demonstrate. This is a laboratory-based practical in which we show how the contamination affects the crops, mushroom crops that grown by the farmers. So firstly, we collect our mushroom spawns from our local farmers, and then we grow a mixed culture. Then from mixed culture, we grow a pure culture, and there are the several stages of this pure culture in which fruiting bodies are formed, and no one fruiting bodies has contamination. So it will prove that our spawn that we collect from our nearby farmers is pure. Otherwise, when the farmers grows these impure cultures, the whole crops was destroyed, or when we consume these contaminated mushrooms, some of the diseases we got. Thank you.
So, as we all know, these all products are based on sustainable development. We are naturally decreasing the use of products which are harming humans also and our environment also. These all products are environment friendly, and especially the mushroom one, we have made this for testing of mushrooms cultures which are for the basic level farmers which suffer a great loss in mushroom farming. Thank you so much for conducting this.